Okay. Okay, this is Survival T. Survival T. Wait a minute, guys. We're at this park thing here today, and we're going to take a walk through the woods. And let's go see some wildlife, and I hope you all like.
Since we're here,
we
can go this way to this way, or this way to this way.
We'll just come all back around and enjoy the. Hopefully, we'll come up here where the pond is right here, and we'll check it out. And this is the marshlands, I guess, swampy areas, and we'll check all this out. And we're gonna get going here. And I hope you guys really like this video. Look at the beautiful scenery on this side and this side here.
Over that way is the bike trail.
Okay, over that way past the wooded area is the bike trail. And maybe one day I will ride my bike out here. Y'all, check this out. Look how they did the walkway here. They used logs like the old times. And they built this bridge. So this is a nice walkway.
This way.
Shoot, you can bring your kids over here. And I'm also trying to bring my views back up. Oh my goodness, look at this sawgrass. Let's check this out. This stuff will cut you. Yeah, I don't want to walk through there. Oh, and there's some cattails back here. And you can eat the bottoms of the cattails and use the cotton tops for starting fires. But don't get caught picking on state property because you probably go to jail. But if you're in the wooded area, you know, that grows at. So I'm trying to take my time here, walk through here. Not too much. And just enjoying the beautiful scenery. You can feel the coolness as we walk through into the woods. It's about 90 degrees out here. And just a little bit of walk. So it's a beautiful place. Hopefully we see some wildlife. They cut some logs down.
91.
Oh, it's 91?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, cottonwood. Check that out. That stuff is good starting fires there. So
you can go 2 different ways.
Okay, now that one path to this, stay on this head trail, or we can go to that head trail.
That one.
This one over here?
Yeah.
Watch your step, it's a little lopsided back here. And we got tall grass coming in on the trail. Look at this tall grass. Look how beautiful that is. I think that might be a cattails, not tall grass, but.
Hey, what's that right there?
That's cattail. See all the cotton? That's what I'm saying. You can use the cotton off of that to start a fire.
Careful, might slip.
Yeah. And we're just taking a little walk through the woods here today. So, video Cameron. Look at that back in there. That is awesome trails.
Heck, that'd be a nice thing to camp at.
Yeah,
if you're allowed.
Right. Now, if it's my choice of pickings, if I got to vacate my home, this is probably where I'd probably go. Off the beaten path, though. And it looks like it curves up there. I think we're getting close to the pond now.
Oh, she didn't have a picture of the map.
Right. Well, the map's on here, but it's in the beginning. I'm walking across into it. Whoa. Oh, no. I got you all turned around.
Walking upside down.
Yeah, walking upside down here. There we go.
Come here.
Some beautiful trees. Walk through some spider webs. Okay. Look at that nice opening right there. Okay, looks like we're on to the top of the head trail here. Uh-oh. This might be the pond. Wow. Holy crud. Didn't say anything about being gravel, did it?
No.
So I think we're off the beaten path here. And I've never been here before. This is all new to me. But I don't think.
Hey, come here.
Okay, we're over here by a rock. The gorge.
Come here. Path that way too.
Okay, here it is. I'm standing up here. There's the pond, the marsh, the swamp area. And I am not walking through that.
Alright, let's go up that way.
Because I'm in shorts and a tank top. I am not walking through that marsh. So we're going back to where we came. Look at the pretty flowers.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. One second, I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're back up on this other trail here. And hopefully we come across another marsh here, the swamplands. Uh-oh, I see the shelter house up here. It might be the shelter house. It might be where we need to be at. There's some more of those cattails. And only way cattails grow if it's really wet and mossy. I mean, not mossy, but have marshlands. You know, it's like swamps. And it does smell like a swamp back here because it smells mildewy. Okay, here's the bench here with cover house. What? This, okay. This is the bicycle trail here. And I guess it didn't show us where we needed to be. So I guess this is the old swamp area here. Show pool of water. Okay. But don't do that. Okay, we're gonna go back now and
Hey, take a break.
we're following this trail right here. And I guess this is the marshlands here that showed on the map up when we first started here.
This part right here is bike trail.
Yeah, and this part over here, what I showed you is way back up when we started. This is the bike trail right here. And this bike trail goes all the way down there.
Keep on going and going and going.
Yeah. Phew. And it's hot out here today. So, there is no vehicles allowed on this road right here. This is a beaten path. I mean, there ain't nobody here. So, if you just want to come out, bring your family, and just have a day, ride bicycles, or just take a walk path and through the wooded area, enjoy your Sunday. So, yeah, I didn't even know this was even done. The only thing I knew was done was a bike trail. Not the beaten path here through the woods.
This was done on October 9th,
What year?
2006.
2006, in October
9th,
9th, this was done.
on my birthday.
Right on. So, I hope you guys really like this video. And so if y'all want to know where I'm at, I am here in Ohio, and this is my background. Okay, and so we're gonna walk out of here. It's about probably what, a 10-minute walk in here.
Kind of.
About maybe 12-minute walk in here or whatever. It ain't too bad. I mean, it ain't trashed up like most areas for wildlife. And maybe I'll come back out here and do a night video or something. Walk through here at nighttime.
You're not allowed. I don't know if you're allowed or not.
Well, I don't say anything as long as you ain't tearing nothing up. So there's the trail we took. I took you over to that pond, and this is the way we came in right here. Feels good right here. A lot of shade.
Yeah, you can go on up that way too, but you're not on the path.
Right. See, we could probably walk through that way right there, but I'm not walking through there.
No, you're not allowed.
Okay, you're not allowed walking off the trail path.
Nope.
Okay.
Only if it's gravel.
Okay. So, we're almost up to the end of this thing now, where we started from. Like I said, I hope you guys really like this video. Share it. Get me out there more. And I've been saying I'm looking for some more subscribers. And been holding this one off until the rain quits. So it's been nice and sunny, hot. So, like I said, I hope you all enjoy this. And I'm at the end of this trail, so God bless. Have a good day. And I'll catch you on the next video in Survival T. Survival T is out and gone.